Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'd like to start out by thanking everybody who's been showing love, liking, commenting, subscribing. I think we at like 100 subscribers right now. Not like 119 right now. And I appreciate everybody from Instagram, TikTok, and all those other various platforms for coming through and showing love. But let's get right into it. Today's video is going to be about how you can make your RT faster than the 392. I know this could be a controversial topic within the Mopar community, but I like to be one of the guys who address it. I know a whole bunch of other big YouTubers have addressed this, but I got a list of things that I think, in my own opinion, can make your car faster. And everything I got on this list, I will be personally doing to my own car. Most of the work I'm gonna try and do myself. Like I said, everything on this list will be going on my car within this next year and a half. It's gonna be a big build process. I'm gonna try and do most of the work myself. If you're interested in following this build, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit the comments, let me know what you think. Leave your opinion on these parts, everything I got to say about this. It's gonna be a great build. I'm trying to make this car fast as I can make it. Without further ado, oh, this will be a POV video too, so I gotta get my GoPro set up after I make some of this B-roll for you guys. I'm trying to get up on my editing game and get better at it so I can make these videos more interesting. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Would y'all like to see like more cinematic videos, or you know, just let me know what you like to see. Let's get into it. Let me set up this GoPro and we'll hit the road. Guys, now that we back on the road, we can go ahead and kick this video off. The first thing on my list to make your RT faster than the SCAT pack is the 392 intake. Your engine is basically like a big air pump, everybody likes to say. So the more air you can get into that engine, the faster you can go, or the faster you can make your engine, or whatever. So these 5.7 intakes that come on the car, they're pretty much good for nothing. Like, it's really holding the engine back a lot. So if you get that 392 intake, SRT designed that intake to flow way better, get a lot more air into the engine to make that car go faster. So I don't think it's a direct swap, but you're gonna definitely have to get some parts to make that swap happen. But it's gonna be, everything you put into it is gonna be well worth the money, because you just want your car to be fast. All right, the next mod is gonna be the Hellcat lower air box with the snorkel. You can find it, the lower part of the airbox. You can find, it's a lot of aftermarket ones. I personally want a Dodge one, like that come from the Hellcat, just for personal reasons. I like OEM stuff. But what that is going to do for you is it's going to help your engine pick up a lot more air, like just like the previous mod. I got the GoPro up there too. I hope y'all seeing this and all that good stuff. But just like the previous mod, is gonna help you pick up a lot more air to that intake. And it's the stock intake on these cars, the stock airbox, the tube going to the intake is very restrictive. So it's not gonna allot a lot of air to get to your engine to make power. So that Hellcat airbox and that whole setup is gonna help out a lot. And all these mods, I'm not telling you to do them in a specific order. I'm not gonna do them in a specific order. Whatever I can get my hands on and whatever I can install, I'm gonna do within this next year. But I think that's pretty much it for that one. If y'all got any more info or want to add on to that, just comment down below and let me know what I missed. All right, this next mod we're gonna talk about is long tube headers. Is what I'm trying to say. Again, this is another mod that's gonna let your engine breathe a lot better. Because the stock headers that come on this car are horrible. I might be able to put a picture up here to show you guys what they look like. I might not. But the headers I'm specifically talking about getting are BBK headers. Yeah, long tube headers. They help your engine breathe a lot better, so you can get a lot more performance out. It's actually gonna sound better. It depends on what kind of exhaust setup you want to go with. It's gonna sound a lot better. It's gonna have a lot more volume. It might even change the tone a little bit. But yeah, long tube headers is that next mod on that list that you're gonna need to be faster than the 392. The next thing you are going to need, like I said, this is not in any specific order, but the next thing you're gonna need is a PCM unlock and tune, because you may see some gains doing all this stuff that I'm mentioning, but you're not gonna see gains like you would with a tune or maybe a dyno tune, or you can get an email tune. I know a lot of the 5.7 Charger people get the J Green tunes, and I know a lot of people have their PCM sent off to like maybe HP Tuners or Diablo to have their PCM unlocked, and I think they might send a tune over. But you're definitely not going to see a lot of games on this stock tune, and it may not even run right. Depends on what you got going on. But you're definitely going to need a PCM to make everything work together well. That's it for that. On to the next mod. Alright, the next mod I personally think you're gonna need is a differential. LSD to be specific. You can get either the 370s or you can get a 309. You can get the 262s out the Hellcat. I know the 309s come in Hellcats and SCAT packs nowadays. I think back in the day when the Hellcat first came out, it came with the 262s, but any of those will do. It depends on personal preference. I don't know specifically what each gear ratio does for the car. I know the 309s is what mostly everybody goes with, but I'm probably gonna go with the 262s just because the 309s are stupid. I mean, stupidly expensive now. Like when I first started looking at these mods like a year ago to do to my car, the 309s was like you can go get a brand new 309 for like $700. Now they're like $1,200 plus, and I don't know about you, but my pockets can't afford it. Not right now anyway. I'm still a working man. I still go to work every day. I'm funding this whole bill out of my own personal pocket. So the gear ratio that I'm gonna go with, just because, is the 262s, and I'm going with those because you can go get a brand new 262 for like $1,000 out the door to your door shipped. I think that's pretty good. You're still gonna get some performance out of that gear, out of that differential. you're still gonna get an LSD. You're not gonna be one wheel peeling with this stupid open differential that Dodge sent these cars out the factory with. I don't get that. That's another thing. I don't really get why Dodge does that. Why ship this car with an open differential? I get it's supposed to be like the economy V8 or whatever, but come on, man. Like, put a little bit on the table for us. Like, come on. I know you 345 guys feel me, but yeah, I'm going with the 262s. You can go whatever you want to go with. And with that being said, on to the next model. All right, the next one we're gonna talk about is the Catalyst mid pipes. I know some people go high flow. I honestly don't know what power difference it would make to go with either one. I would imagine that the Catalyst mid pipes are less restrictive, which is gonna allow the exhaust to flow better with your long tube headers and all that stuff like that. The mid pipes that I'm personally gonna go with, I think they're Catalyst. I gotta look again. I have everything up here with the description. Remember, description to all this stuff is down below. But the ones I'm personally gonna go with is the BBK mid pipes, and I think that's gonna be great because I like a lot of sound or whatever, and I think you're gonna get that with mid pipes. It's definitely gonna change the tone up a little bit. But that's about it for that one. On to the next one. The next one is gonna be a simple one. A lot of people already have this mod. I don't know why I haven't put it on my car yet. I guess I'm just getting around to buying the car. I had this car like 3 years now, and mostly everything I've done to it is like interior stuff. But the next one is gonna be an oil catch can, and the knowledge that I have on this is not a lot, but from my understanding is that the catch can is supposed to catch a lot of oil that blows by something. I don't know specifically. I gotta do a lot more research on it, but they say it improves the longevity of your engine. Your engine's supposed to last a lot longer, I guess, and you definitely want to improve the chances of your engine surviving with all these mods, because making more power breaks things. You make more horsepower, you're gonna definitely need some preventative things to help your engine out and last longer. But that's it on that one. On to the next one. All right, last but not least, you're gonna need to get a cam. I know it's not the cheapest thing to do, and it's probably gonna be one of the last things I do after I go full bolt-on, but you're definitely gonna need a cam. I think the cam is probably gonna gain you the most power out of all of these mods. I've heard of people getting like 30 to 50 extra horsepower. I plan on personally going with a 392 cam, just because Tall Guy and him, he definitely influenced me. I really like his channel. I really like his build. This car is crazy. This car sounds crazy. It's like, it's fast. He got a fast car just from watching the videos of like his POVs and all that stuff like that. He got a fast car. So he definitely influenced me on that decision to get the 392 cam. You can go with a bigger cam, but it's up to you. I personally drive, this is my daily driver. I drive this car every day, so I need a streetable cam so I can continue to drive my car every day. Those big Lopey cams, they burn a lot of gas, and then sometimes it's difficult to drive the car. What's going on, man? I don't even know who that is, but sometimes it's difficult to drive the car, and you want to be able to drive your car anytime you want to, or every day if this is your daily driver. So yeah, I'm personally gonna go with the 392 cam, and yeah, that's about it for this list. I tried to get everything that I could think of on here. If you guys can think of anything else, y'all got any other feedback, just let me know down below in the comments. I appreciate everybody for coming. commenting, liking, subscribing. If you feel like it, share it somewhere, share it with your friends. All that. I appreciate the love and support. And y'all have a good day.